Good morning, guys. Welcome to Perry Hill this morning. Today is potato day. It's going to look a little different today. We're not going to have the entire family here helping us dig up the potatoes. Beckett's first football game is today, so Erica and Anthony will be there. I'll be going there in a little while. We're going to help them get started. Denise and Eric have a wedding in Mobile that they had to go to for the day, so they won't be here. So it's just going to be Jace, Lauren, Stumpy, and I gathering the potatoes today. We want to see how many potatoes that we got out of these 11 rows of potatoes. By now you've seen the video of the potato experiment where we did the 2 different potato towers, and you saw that was not very successful. But today we're going to see just how many potatoes we can get here off these 11 rows. We've got Kennebec whites and then a red potato. I can't remember the name of it. So what we do, if you've never watched us on Potato Day, we have a single row I think it's called an underplow that we hook to our old Massey Ferguson tractor, and we go down each row and that rolls the dirt up, and then we just walk down the rows and gather the potatoes and put them in buckets. And then of course you remember our place at Erica's barn. I'll have to link that video where we made our potato tables that we can stack upon each other. We can stack them in her barn. They stay there and they can get well ventilation. They last a good time there. So we're going to get started here. The guys are getting the tractor ready. Lauren and Jace and Stumpy, they're out there getting the tractor. I just heard it crank up, so they'll be headed here in just a minute. What we'll probably do is dump them in the bucket and then drive over there and put them on those racks. Stumpy's motto is work smarter, not harder. So he's always trying to think of the best way to do the things. It's early morning. We've had breakfast. We were trying to hurry and get out here before the sun got on the pack. First row is going to be the Kennebec. It's going down. Looks like the middle of the row. And just pound the dirt there. But those are the Kennebecs. Ooh, there's a little mouse. Look right there. Run, mouse, run! take a nap. Take a break.
I wish it was a nap.
It is 20 degrees cooler in the shade than it is out there in that sun. It is a very visible difference. Look at you, Nemo. You got smart, didn't you?
Plenty of water. Thankfully.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, see?
Ooh, these naps are going to lift me away.
I know. We got 4 more rows,
Oh,
5 more rows, 6 more rows.
thank you.
I thought we had like.
I was thinking we had 11 rows. Potatoes. Okay, they just finished. I ran to Beckett's ball game and got back, and they had just finished. We weighed 1 bucket, and it weighed
40 pounds.
So 1 bucket was about 40 pounds, give or take, roughly. How many buckets you think we gathered?
Well,
Oh, I can't go nowhere till you get back.
around 25 buckets. We had about 10 good rows. I'll say we had 11 rows, but
One was not that great.
one was not. A couple of them that had some skips in them, so I just say 10 good rows. 25 buckets, 40 pound a bucket. That's 1,000 pounds.
Of potatoes.
We should have about 1,000 pounds of potatoes. We'll get her to jump on the golf cart. We'll take you over there and show you the rest of them.
Right. Don't fret. They'll all get 8.
That's right. Remember, a simple life is a much more enjoyable life. Thank y'all for watching.
See you on the next video.
That's right.